Recently, students have been needing to use the library printer. Let's show you how to print.
First, to print, you hit the print button or Control P. Then on the left, click the drop-down box next to the destination and select More. When the pop-up box comes up, click Find Me Student. Lastly, log in with Google and hit Print on the lower right-hand corner. First, select the ID number on the printer screen. Second, type your lunch number in the keypad. Then select Release on the touch screen. Select what you need to print. Select Print on the screen. Lastly, hit the Access button to exit.